Lifetime warranty. 4 outside zippered pockets, internal organization, and 15.4 computer and tablet pockets. XL size built with durable material, built to stand up to wear and tear. Load spring shoulder straps for added comfort. 2 water bottle pockets. Top reviews from the United States. Great for office and travel. I wanted a single bag that I could use both for traveling as well as office. This bag is great that way. It's super spacious, so as I am currently traveling I use it to store a few clothing items as well as 2 laptops. It has a handy small pouch to keep travel essentials electronics as well. I also regularly used it to go to office and it works just as well because it's not bulky and looks great overall. I have had a few issues with the bag seemingly more heavy if I don't pack it for traveling correctly. Not a major issue. I was just under the impression that the LoadSprings would be more effective even with incorrect packing.